Hey guys, Matt Marzillo here. In this video, we're going to be going over something called a goal-seek analysis, and it's a subset of a what-if analysis. Very simple tool that Microsoft Excel offers. All you need to have is some sort of formula and a number in mind to optimize. So let's take a step back and look at the definition of a what-if analysis. A what-if analysis is the process of changing the values in cells to see how those changes will affect the outcome of formulas on the worksheet. Excel offers several different tools to help with this. We're going to be going over the goal-seek tool in this video, and then we're also going to touch on the data tables video in the next video. We're not going to be looking at scenarios here. So always, with Microsoft Excel, the best way to learn is by using an example. And here we have an example looking at the price per iTunes download. So we're saying $1.29 per download. I think that's pretty consistent with what I'm paying right now for my downloads. And then we have a way to calculate revenue. So we're just simply taking J2, which is the price per download, and the number of downloads. That gets you total revenue. We're not even worrying about expenses here. We're just working with these top three options. So the what if analysis is an option up here. You have to go to the data tab, and you slide over to the what if analysis option that exists within the data tools portion here. So you click on what if analysis, and you select goal seek. Right, and now we're going to have three different inputs, and it's always important to remember. I would suggest writing this down, taking notes on this. You have three different inputs. So you're going to have the set cell. The set cell always contains the cell address that has the formula that we're looking to work with here. So we know we have a formula in the revenue cell here in J4. So let's go ahead and select J4 as our set cell. Now the to value, you're not putting a cell in here, right? It's a value, not a cell. The to value contains the number that we're looking to get to, right? So we want revenue to be, let's say, $30,000. We want to know how many downloads we need to sell in order to get to $30,000. And the by changing cell, you're going to type in the blank cell that you have, right? So this is where we're looking to kind of plop that answer in. We're at J3. That's where we have it set. So when I click OK, you're actually going to see this window. You're going to start seeing Microsoft Excel do some calculations, and it'll eventually settle on a number. So here we go. Okay, great. So if we go back, if we look at click OK. If we look at our spreadsheet, you can see that it got revenues to $30,000, right? That's where we were looking to go. And it tells us how many downloads we need to sell in order to get there. And you can see it's about a little over 23,000 downloads we need to sell to get there. Okay, that's good information. But let's say we're shooting for the moon. We want to try to get $100,000 of revenue. Let's go back up and give it one more shot. What if analysis? Goal seek. Again, the set cell is the cell that contains the formula, so that's J4, right? Yeah, J4, that's where the formula sits. We're looking to get to 100,000. Is that right? No, one more zero. Okay. And then we're going to put that answer in cell J3. Always make sure that cell is blank. Click OK. Want you to do some calculating. It looks like it's settled there. Click OK. Okay, great. So our revenue is at 100,000. We need to sell 77,500 downloads at $1.29 in order to get to the revenue of 100,000. Right? Pretty simple stuff. Really creative tool. But you can actually use this with any sort of formula, right? So you're essentially just, it's like I said, it's really two inputs. It's the formula you're looking to use, the number you're looking to get to, and then having a location to plop the answer. So it's sort of like doing a little bit of algebra for you. So let's pretend that we have $10,000 in fixed expenses in order with producing this download that we're putting on iTunes. So obviously profits are going to equal revenue minus expenses, right? So we have a revenue right now of 0. Expenses are fixed at 10,000 right now. Our profits are in the negative at 10,000. Let's maximize the profits number instead. So let's go back up. So we're still looking to understand the number of downloads we need to sell to get to a certain number of profits, right? So let's go to what if analysis again. Goal seek. Now a set cell contains the formula we're looking to optimize, and now we're looking to optimize that profits formula. So that's sitting right there in J7. Let's do it as a break-even analysis, right? So if we said 0, so right, we're saying we want to break even, we want to be at 0, and then we're going to plop down that answer right here in cell J3. We're going to click OK. Looks like it did its work. Okay, great. So it's 7,751. That gets us $10,000 of revenue, which gets us $0 of profit, which is the break-even number. Okay, great. That makes sense. That's maybe a little bit easier than using the break-even analysis worksheet that we used before. It gets us less information, but if all we're worried about is just getting that quick number right there, this is a really good way to get there. Let's give it one more shot. Let's delete that out of there. And let's just do one more example here. What if analysis, goal seek. Again, the set cell, we're going to put the formula that we're looking to optimize, and that's sitting there in J7. Let's say we actually want to make some pretty good profits here. Let's say $50,000. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And we're going to plop that answer into cell J3. Watch Microsoft Excel do its work. Okay, so here we go. So the formula is where it needs to be. We optimized it at $50,000 of profits, and we need to download 46,500. Sell 46,500 downloads in order to get to $50,000 of profits. So you can see Goal Seek's a really nice, simple tool that you can use in Microsoft Excel to optimize a certain formula in order to get to an end result. Thanks for your time.